Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and first off I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can finally guarantee that you rank your videos on the first page of Google in 48 hours or less, which will allow you to drive the best kind of buyer traffic to your websites and offers. Plus, you're even going to see a live case study of how I was able to rank not one, not two, but 5 different campaigns on the first page of Google with just 5 minutes of work. Now I know that saying that you're guaranteed to rank your video sounds a little too good to be true, but I just want you to give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how that's possible with our brand new web app. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, local marketing, CPA marketing, list building, or anything in between. If you've ever wanted to get targeted buyer traffic by ranking videos on the first page of Google, then you're in the right place. Because listen, I usually don't like to toot my own horn, but I and my partner Han Fan have been ranking videos on the first page of Google for several years now. Just like this video that ranked on the first page of Google in just 48 hours for a buyer keyword. And that same video ranking for another buyer keyword on page 1 as well. And this video here ranking number 2 in just 3 hours. And this video here ranking number 3 in just 3 hours as well. And this video here that I ranked on page 1 in just a few days. I can go on and on, but I think you get the point. We can rank on page 1 of Google for just about any keyword that we target. But not only that, we're able to turn those rankings into passive monthly income just like this, where you can see we've brought in over $3,500 in commissions from just one affiliate network. And a quick $141 in just 24 hours, and a couple of high ticket sales from one campaign here, and another $1,600 in 1 month like you see here. And again, I can keep going and going, but I'm sure you get the point. We not only know how to rank videos, we know how to convert that into profit as well. And I'm not showing you this to brag by any means. I'm showing this to you so that you know that if you want to finally get your videos ranked on page 1 of Google and turn those rankings into big profit every single month, then you're in the right hands. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get those same results in your business as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it in just 4 simple steps without needing any previous experience, without needing any fancy video equipment, without needing any technical know-how, and without even having to be on camera. Because we truly believe that anyone, regardless of experience and technical know-how, will be able to use our brand new web app to rank on page 1 of Google at will. But before we get into that, we have to talk about the huge problem that's causing more than 95% of people to fail with their videos. We see it day in and day out. We see the struggle, we see the failure, we see the frustration. And I'm sure many of you struggle with the same things as well. I'm sure many of you have tried ranking videos and failed. You've bought the latest ranking software and it just flat out didn't deliver. You've bought the latest ranking course and still couldn't get results. You've wasted hours upon hours putting in your sweat equity and nothing. You've wasted hundreds or even maybe thousands of dollars and still came up empty. Trust me, you're not alone. We see this all too often, and we used to be in that group as well. So it pains us to see how many people continue to struggle with their videos, especially because of how powerful and how big video marketing is right now. So Han and I went to the drawing board and decided to turn the video marketing world upside down. After seeing so many of the common reasons as to why people keep failing in the video marketing world, we decided to do something about it. I know it sounds cliche, but we feel that we've truly changed the game. Allow me to introduce you to XRanker 360. XRanker 360 is the first web app of its kind to guarantee that you only work on campaigns you know will rank with 100% certainty. Because you see, one of the biggest things we see happening is people put all this time and effort into trying to rank a video only to be left in complete disappointment. And trust me, we've been there too. You see, most people follow the typical video ranking strategies. You pick some keywords, you create a video for those keywords, you upload and optimize that video, you build some backlinks, and you wait to see if that video will rank. And unfortunately, after 1 to 2 weeks of wasted time following that process, most people fail and never get a video ranked. So we decided to ask ourselves a different question, a question that would send shockwaves throughout the entire video marketing community. That question was, what if you can know with 100% certainty that your videos will rank before ever having to do any real work to get those results? Imagine that scenario for a second. Imagine that if instead of putting all this work and effort into a campaign and then wasting 1 to 2 weeks of your time only to see that campaign fail, imagine if instead of that scenario there was a better option, a more effective option, an option that allowed you to only work on campaigns that you know are going to rank every time. Imagine the scenario where you pick some keywords, know which of those keywords will rank on page 1, and then you continue working only on the keywords that you know will rank. That sounds like a much better scenario, right? Why would you waste time creating a full campaign for keywords you know upfront will not rank? Why not instead let XRanker 360 automatically figure out which keywords will rank on the first page of Google so that you can only focus on the winners? That way you can guarantee you will rank on page 1 of Google every single time and not have to worry about the keywords that won't rank. And this is right around the time where you ask, Josh, exactly how does XRanker 360 guarantee that my keywords will rank? And look, we're not here to overhype what we've created. Of course, we don't own Google and can't manipulate their search results, so that's not what we're referring to here. However, we can use Google's own tools against them to know with 100% certainty that the keywords we pick will rank on page 1 of Google without having to spend more than 10 minutes of our time per campaign. And once we know our keywords will rank, we can spend more time on those campaigns and maximize the return on investment of our time. So exactly how does this all work? Well, it's simple. We leverage YouTube Live events. If you've not heard of YouTube Live events, allow me to introduce you to them. YouTube Live events is the new standard that YouTube is moving towards when it comes to live streaming. The amazing part about this for us as marketers though is that Google loves to rank YouTube Live events. They eat them up. But the best part about YouTube Live events is that you can create a live event but never actually run or stream the live event and they still rank in Google. Yup, you heard that correctly. You can create a live event listing right now and never stream anything on that live event but still get indexed and ranked in Google. How amazing is that, right? This is the secret strategy that we've been using to guarantee that we rank on page 1 of Google without any wasted time or effort. The second that you create a YouTube Live event, a public URL is also created automatically at the same time. And that URL has the power to shoot right up to Google's first page without you ever having to do anything else. So we decided to automate that technology right into XRanker 360. With XRanker 360, you get to choose your keywords, automatically create a YouTube Live event right inside our software, let our system notify you once your live stream cracks into page 1 of Google, and then you can continue with your campaign. Once you know which keywords will rank, you'll then be able to edit that live stream and either upload a pre-made video or stream live. And then you can have that video automatically syndicated with our proprietary syndication system. With XRanker 360, we've simplified the video ranking process into 4 simple steps. In step 1, XRanker 360 will find you profitable, high-converting keywords in 1 click. XRanker 360 has the most powerful keyword suggestion tool of any video ranking tool out there. All you have to do is input any seed keyword and XRanker will serve up hundreds of keywords to you on a silver platter. We've built our keyword engine to provide you with keywords that have been proven to convert visitors into buyers. Plus, as part of our 2.0 release, we've made our keyword engine even better. Not only will you be able to get hundreds of keyword suggestions, you'll also be able to get exact search data on each of those keywords as well. Not even Google itself reveals that information to you anymore. We're now one of the very few apps that reveals this information to its users. This will give you the power to ensure that you target keywords that actually get search volume. You'll never have to go blindly into a campaign ever again. XRanker 360 truly has the most powerful keyword tool of any video ranking software out there. Heck, we can sell our keyword module alone for $97 a month all day long. And it doesn't stop there. We've even extended our keyword tool to give you data from most of the major countries out there. This was one of the biggest requests from our users around the world. They wanted to go global with their campaigns, and now we've made that possible for anyone. You can now perform keyword searches in Google Germany, Google France, Google UK, Google Italy, and many, many more. Again, this is the most powerful keyword tool you'll ever get your hands on. And that's just step 1, which is finding the keywords that you want to target. In step 2, you'll be able to quickly and easily create a YouTube live event inside of XRanker 360 in just a few clicks. This is where XRanker 360 blows every other video ranking tool out of the water. Not only are we leveraging YouTube's most powerful ranking platform to date, but we've built our proprietary system alongside live events to guarantee that you rank on the first page of Google. XRanker 360 will automatically create your live streams based on your selected keywords and will immediately start tracking where those live streams rank. The second that your live streams crack into page 1 of Google, you'll be immediately notified. This will ensure that you only work on campaigns that are guaranteed to rank. Everything else you can ignore and never waste time on keywords that will never rank. Then in step number 3, you'll be able to load up your video into your live stream event once you know for certain that your keywords are rankable. This is the beauty of XRanker 360. Once you're notified which live streams are ranking and which are not, you can only focus on the ones that you know for certain are ranking. Once you know the winners, you'll be able to easily edit your live streams and select any video file from your hard drive to load into your live stream. Isn't it amazing that XRanker 360 will allow you to rank before ever having to do any additional work on your campaigns? Yeah, we think so too. And finally, in step number 4, you'll be able to syndicate your videos to all the top social sharing and social bookmarking sites for even more competitor crushing ranking. We've taken the exact syndication blueprint that allows us to rank on page 1 of Google at will, and we've automated it right into XRanker 360. This is going to give you the edge over your competitors and truly cement your rankings to stick on page 1 of Google. We've even developed an entire syndication platform to use with XRanker 360. In fact, we took it a step further and integrated SynLab right into XRanker 360 using our API system, so you can automatically syndicate your XRanker 360 campaigns to over 30 different social platforms by clicking just one button. Plus, if you're not already a SynLab member, you'll be able to create an account at a massive discount as a new XRanker 360 member. Armed with XRanker 360, you'll finally be able to rank your videos and start getting targeted traffic and sales from Google. So at this point, we invite you to go below this video to see exactly what you're getting, watch the powerful case study video, and then make sure you take advantage of our limited time charter members discount. The offer that you see on this page right now is a limited time offer. We will be taking this page down once the offer expires. So if you want to secure your guaranteed video rankings at the lowest price possible, we highly recommend that you secure your copy now. Plus, you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and a ton of page 1 rankings to gain. Secure your copy below. Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and in this case study and demo video, I'm going to show you how you can get guaranteed page 1 video rankings in under 48 hours and how you can do it by allowing our XRanker 360 web app to do it for you. Now, the beauty of XRanker 360 is that it allows you to rank on the first page of Google before having to waste any more time or effort than you have to on your campaigns. I'm talking about fast, guaranteed rankings that also stick to the first page long term, that brings you an unlimited amount of free targeted buyer traffic, leads, and sales from Google, which is hands down the best kind of traffic you can get. Now, the biggest thing that we see people struggling with is that they find a keyword they want to rank for, they spend the time to create a video, upload and optimize that video, and then try to rank that video. They spend all this time and effort in that process, and then 1 to 2 weeks down the road, they're left in major disappointment when that video doesn't rank. So we decided to change the game and allow you to rank first, and then once you know that you can rank, you can go ahead and invest more time and effort on those campaigns that you know with 100% certainty you can rank for. Now, I know that using the word guaranteed is a bit dangerous. However, I'm going to show you exactly how we've been able to achieve that and automate the entire process. I'm also going to show you how I was able to rank 2 new campaigns in 48 hours and how I was able to quickly scale that to 6 page 1 rankings very easily. Before we jump into the actual demo video, let me quickly just show you the video rankings that we've been able to achieve. Okay, so here you can see we're ranking for a high converting buyer keyword. Here you go, ranking in 2 days. Now this is something that's very important. You do want to make sure you're ranking for buyer keywords that are actually going to lead to sales or leads for your business. Here you can see that I'm also ranking for the plural version of that keyword within 2 days. And what I decided to do was, since I know that this product has other competing products, I decided to rank for the competing products as well. Now this is a very, very big type of keyword that you can make a lot of money with as well, which is comparing two different products. Product A, product versus product B, and then you let the consumer pick which one they think is best for their particular needs. Okay, so you can see here I'm also ranking for that within 3 hours. So this is just one competing product to the one that I ranked for. I decided to rank for a second competing product as well. You can see within 3 hours. And you can see here I ranked for a third competing product as well within 3 hours. Here is just another campaign that's in a completely different product, and I ranked on the first page of Google within 5 days. Now it was actually close to 2 days, but it just took me a little bit longer to get back on my computer and grab the screenshot. Okay, you can see I secured 6 different page 1 rankings, and the beautiful thing about this is that it took me no more than 5 minutes to create these campaigns. Okay, and also another beautiful thing is that I haven't even created a video for this campaign yet, which is what I mentioned before. Okay, you can come in here, make sure that you can rank for the keywords you're targeting, and then go in and invest more time and energy into those campaigns that you know you can rank for. I'm going to go in here and show you exactly how this works. We have 4 very simple steps. You do your research, you create your campaign, you add it to the rank tracker, and you backlink that campaign. Okay, now the way that we've created this is you first do your research, then you can easily create a campaign by leveraging the power of YouTube live events. Once you add it to the rank tracker, XRanker 360 is going to automatically start tracking that campaign, and once it ranks on the first page of Google, you're going to receive an email notification like this that tells you, hey, your campaign is now ranking. You can go ahead and continue working on that campaign. And that's how we've been able to create guaranteed rankings. Okay, because now that I know I can rank for it, which you can see here, this is just a placeholder. Okay, all of these are just placeholders. Now that I know I can rank for it and I get this email, I can go in, actually put a video here, create a video, put it on here, and optimize the title and the description a little bit more, put my affiliate link there, and make sure that I can start making sales and getting leads for that video. Okay, so that's the beautiful thing about it. You can rank first with XRanker 360 and then actually invest more time into those campaigns. Okay, so let me quickly show you just how powerful our research module is. Now, a couple of things that we've added in the 2.0 version. If I click add here, I'm not going to perform a keyword search because it does take a few seconds for that process to complete. But I do want to show you this. You can see we've added multiple different Googles in here for different countries. This has been all based on our customer requests. Okay, so you can see in this 2.0 version, we now have multiple keywords that you can target. Okay, excuse me, multiple Googles and countries that you can target. And for the most part, targeting other countries usually has less competition than US. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you some information based on the keyword searches that we've performed in the past. Now, one thing you can see here as well is that all the keyword searches that you perform do get saved onto your account. That saves you time and effort as well, because anytime you want to come in here and scale a campaign, you can just go back to the previously performed search. Another powerful thing that the XRanker 360 has that very few other video ranking tools have is the ability to show you the exact monthly search volume. Okay, we have one of the most powerful keyword engines out there because it not only shows you the exact search volume, which not even Google shows you anymore, but it also returns back hundreds of potential keywords that you may not have thought of that you can rank for as well. You can see here, you can sort this by searches as well, because usually the ones that have the most search volume are going to be the most competitive, and you can just stop doing your research right there. Okay, because how to make money, that's just way too competitive. If let's say that you do want to target it, if I click this drop down menu here, you can click this, which is perform an in-depth analysis, and what's going to happen is information here. You're going to get the video URL, you're going to get the title, the description, if there's a link in the description or not, and all the social information as well. Okay, the likes, the views, when it was uploaded, very important information that's going to allow you to make an important decision whether you should target this keyword or not. Okay, now the fact that it doesn't have a link in the description, that's a very, very important sign, because this can tell me that, hey, maybe this guy isn't a very savvy marketer and he isn't even monetizing this video. Okay, but for the most part, you know, when it comes to making money online, it's just way too competitive. Okay, so this is just a demo and I'm only showing this for demo purposes. Okay, don't take it as, you know, everyone should go out there and target how to make money. That's just way too competitive. All right, so let's say that once you find a keyword that you actually want to rank for, there are two things that you can do. If you know the keyword that you want to rank for, you can just go directly to the create tab, or if you find it using the keyword research module, you can click this option here and it's going to automatically create a campaign for that keyword. I'm going to go ahead and paste this in the description as well. Now remember, you don't want to spend too much time on this part right now, because the first thing we want to do is make sure that we can rank and then go in and spend more time and effort on the campaign. Okay, you can add different YouTube channels in here as well. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and put it on this health channel as an example. I'm going to schedule the live event for a few days from today. Okay, and it doesn't really matter which day you choose, because even if you go past the date that you choose, you can always go in and edit the live event even after the published date is passed. Okay, so if I click add, now the YouTube live event is being created, and that's the beautiful thing about XRanker 360. We leverage the power of YouTube live events to allow you to guarantee those first page rankings, and then you can go in there and actually put a video there, optimize it a little bit better, and secure those rankings for the long term, so you can get sales and leads from Google. Okay, but you can see now this campaign has been created, and if I go to the URL, this is a public rankable URL without me having created a video yet. Okay, and that's how I was able to quickly come into XRanker 360, create 6 or 7 campaigns, and, you know, secure multiple page one rankings with just 5 minutes worth of work. Okay, obviously it's taking a little longer because I'm shooting an actual demo video, but you can come in here and create multiple campaigns within minutes of logging into XRanker 360. Now what's going to happen here as well is I'm going to add it to the rank tracker. Okay, now the beautiful thing about the rank tracker is that it's going to tell me exactly when this campaign ranks in whatever number I put here. Okay, now there's 10 results per page, so I'm going to leave it at 10. This is going to allow XRanker 360 to let me know when I rank on the first page of Google. The geolocation doesn't matter too much right now because this is going to be an affiliate marketing campaign, but if you do local marketing, you can set the geolocation as well. The tracking interval, we have 6, 12, and 24 depending on which package you purchase, so I'm just going to put it to track every 24 hours. Once I click add, now that campaign has been created, it's been added to the rank tracker, and we are good to go. Okay, now XRanker 360 is going to start tracking it every 24 hours. Once it ranks on the first page of Google, I'm going to get an email like this, and obviously it's going to look like this on the first page of Google. Once I know I can rank, I can go in there and spend more time and secure those rankings. Okay, now one thing that's very important as well is to use our backlinking and syndication module. Okay, this is going to allow you to secure those rankings for the long term. Okay, now here I can select the campaign that I just created, select an integration. Now we are integrated with all the top syndication and indexing software out there. Okay, I've also created my own, which is the SynLab platform. This allows you to syndicate your content between 30 and 45 different sites depending on which package you have, and we're also going to be offering a special price as an upsell to XRanker 360. So if you see that, make sure you check it out if you're not already a member of SynLab. Now, one beautiful thing that we built into SynLab as well is the ability to create groups. Okay, so if you're working in different niches, you can create a different campaign group and submit it to the corresponding group that you have. Okay, once you fill out all this information here, you click add, and XRanker 360 is going to automatically send this campaign to SynLab. Okay, and the syndication is going to happen automatically. All right, but that is how simple we've made ranking on the first page of Google and being able to get guaranteed rankings. Okay, so we've created something that completely changes the game. You're able to rank first, figure out which campaigns you can rank for, and then only work on those that you know you can rank for, okay? We also have the most powerful keyword search keyword engine on the market. You can get exact match data. You can search for multiple different Google countries and a whole lot more, okay? So guys, make sure you pick this up. There's going to be a link or a button right below this video, and we look forward to having you on board, okay? This is easily the best video ranking software on the market. You won't need any other one. It allows you to get guaranteed rankings automatically in just 4 simple steps. So go ahead and secure your copy right below this video.